back at another video, and today I'm with my cousin.
Hi,
Eden. And so we're showing you squishies from small.
And these Hatchimals.
So first,
this is mine. This is hers.
Yeah.
So mine's ultra rare. Hers is this normal.
So
First, we're gonna start with the squishies. There's this really cute texture of this squishy. It looks like it's a whale, and it has this like purple stripes, and it has this little key.
And it's, by the way, it's my squishy. So
yes, and this is so squishy.
And
next one is mine.
Hers. It's a shopkin.
It has this,
and it's scented. It's scented. All of them are.
Smell it.
All of them are scented. All the ones we have.
So it has these really cute eyes. This pink with star frosting in the cake.
Can I squish this one? Okay. So this one is mine. It's a unicorn. And it's very, it doesn't have like all the colors of the rainbow, but
it has most colors.
Yeah.
It doesn't have blue.
Yeah.
Next we have this milk.
It's mine.
It's hers, and
there's hearts on it.
It has hearts.
Oh, wait. And there's a heart, whoops, on that one too.
And let's squish it. It's so
soft. And it's scented. Really nice. Really nice.
Milk.
Smilk.
Next one is
burger.
Hey girls. Hey boys. Hey girls. Hey boys. So today I'm here with my cousin Eden. Hi.
She's awesome.
And make sure to click down below if you want to subscribe to our channel.
And be part of the notification squad, which is the unicorn squad.
So first we have these really cute squishies and these Hatchimals.
And by the way, this one is Eden's and this one is mine.
And first we're going to start with smallest. So we have this really cute whale. It has a heart.
Something like that.
It's hers. It's scented.
It's a keychain.
And this is mine. And it has these really stars in pink.
That smells so good. And it's a shopkin.
It smells so good. Smell it, guys.
And it's a shopkin, right?
And we have hers. It has most colors of the rainbow, but not all. It doesn't have blue. Hers,
okay, next.
Again, it's some milk.
It's a scented milk. Hearts on it, too.
Smell it, you guys. Yummy.
Okay, I'm going to do the last one. It's this kitty burger.
So
soft. And it's scented. It smells great.
It smells like yum, 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 yum.
Okay, next. Okay, so we got the Hatchimals. Here, let's turn them on and we'll just show you. Oh, wait. What's yours this time? Mine is Cora. And welcome to Cora.
Mine is Sparkles. So, yeah.
And hers is rare, by the way. I think so. Let's turn them on and just let them roll around. So, comment if you guys have any of the little tiny little Hatchimal things or a big one.
Let us know in the comments.
And comment
how many Hatchimals or mini Hatchimals you have. Thanks.
Guys, if you want to comment a name and the last name for our Hatchimals,
they're called Hatchies. And by the way, these two are really pretty, but this one's a little sparkly in this one. But they're still really pretty. I mean, that picture of that feather. I mean, the hair of these wings.
oh, what a squid. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to go watch the other video with my cousin. And yeah, and watch the other videos we did. And make sure to subscribe. Bye!